नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th Canto, Chapter 5, Text 32. Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam Sangaupangastra Parsadam Jagyai Sankirtana Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedhasaha Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam Sangaupangastra Parsadam Jagyai Sankirtana Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedhasaha. Word meaning. Krishna Varnam, repeating the syllables Krishna. Tisa, with a luster. O Krishnam, not black, golden. Sangha, along with associates. Upanga, servitors. Astra, weapons. Parsadam, confidential companions. Jagyai, by sacrifice. Sankirtana Prayai, consisting chiefly of the congregational chanting. Jajanti, by worship. He, certainly. Sumedhasaha, intelligent persons. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. In the age of Kali, intelligent persons perform congregational chanting to worship the incarnation of Godhead, who constantly sings the names of Krishna. Although his complexion is not blackish, he is Krishna himself. He is accompanied by his associates, servants, weapons, and confidential companions. Purport. This same verse is quoted by Krishnadas Kaviraj in Chaitanya Charitamrita Adilila, chapter 3, verse 52. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada has given the following commentary on this verse. This text is from Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th Canto, chapter 5, text 32. Srila Jiva Goswami has explained this verse in the commentary on the Bhagavat known as the Krama Sandarbha, wherein he says that Lord Krishna also appears with a golden complexion. That golden Lord Krishna is Lord Chaitanya, who is worshipped by intelligent men in this age. That is confirmed in Srimad Bhagavatam by Garga Muni, who said that although the child Krishna was blackish, he also appears in 3 other colors, red, white and yellow. He exhibited his white and red complexions in Satya and Tretya ages respectively. He did not exhibit the remaining color yellow gold until he appeared as Lord Chaitanya, who is known as Gaura Hari. Sri Jiva Goswami explains that Krishna Varnam means Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Varnam and Krishna Chaitanya are equivalent. The name Krishna appears with both Lord Krishna and Lord Chaitanya Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but he always engages in describing Krishna and thus enjoying transcendental bliss by chanting and remembering his name and form. Lord Krishna himself appears as Lord Chaitanya to preach the highest gospel. Varnayati means utters or describes. Lord Chaitanya always chants the holy name of Krishna and describes it also. And because he is Krishna himself, whoever meets him will automatically chant the holy name of Krishna and later describe it to others. He injects one with transcendental Krishna consciousness, which merges the chanter in transcendental bliss in all respects. Therefore, he appears before everyone as Krishna, either by personally or by sound. Simply by seeing Lord Chaitanya, one at once remember Lord Krishna. One may therefore accept him as Vishnu Tattva, or otherwise Lord Chaitanya is Lord Krishna himself. Sanga, Panga, Vastra, Parsadam further indicates that Lord Chaitanya is Lord Krishna. His body is always decorated with ornaments of sandalwood and with sandalwood paste. By his super excellent beauty, he subdues all the people of the age. In other descents, the Lord sometimes used weapons to defeat the demoniac. But in this age, the Lord subdues them with his all-attractive feature as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Jiva Goswami explains that his beauty is his astra or weapon. By subdue the demons, because he is all-attractive, it is to be understood that all the demigods lived with him as his companions. His arts were uncommon and his associates wonderful. When he propagates the Sankirtan movement, he attracted many great scholars and acharyas, especially in Bengal and Orissa. Lord Chaitanya is always accompanied by his best associates like Lord Nityananda and Advaita, Gadadhara and Srivas. Sri Jiva Goswami cites a verse from Vedic literatures that says that there is no necessity of propagating sacrificial demonstrations or ceremonial functions. He comments that instead of engaging in such external pompous exhibitions, all people, regardless of caste, color or creed, can assemble together and chant Hare Krishna to worship Lord Chaitanya. Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam indicates that prominence should be given to the name Krishna. Lord Chaitanya taught Krishna consciousness and chanted the name of Krishna. Therefore, to worship Lord Chaitanya, everyone should together chant the Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. to propagate worship in churches, temples and mosques is not possible because people have lost interest in that. But anywhere and everywhere people can chant Hare Krishna. Thus worshipping Lord Chaitanya, they can perform the highest activity and fulfill the highest religious purpose of satisfying the Supreme Lord. Srila Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, a famous disciple of Lord Chaitanya, said, the principle of transcendental devotional service having been lost, Sri Krishna Chaitanya has appeared to deliver again the process of devotion. He is so kind that he is distributing love of Krishna. Everyone should be attracted more and more to his lotus feet, as humming bees are attracted to a lotus flower. The incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also described in Sri Vishnu Sahasranam, which appears in chapter 189 of the Dana Dharma Parva of Mahabharata. Sri Jiva Goswami has quoted this reference as follows: Suvarna Varna Hemango Varangas Chandanangadi. In his early pastimes, he appears as a householder with a golden complexion. His limbs were beautiful, and his body, smeared with pulp of sandalwood, seems like molten gold. He has also quoted Sannyasakrit Syamasanto Nishtha Santi Parayana. In his last pastimes, he accepts the sannyas order, and he is equipoised and peaceful. He is the highest abode of peace and devotion, for he silences the impersonalist and non-devotees. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana-Shalakaya Chakhyurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Sopadantikam. Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakha Nitansya. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namini. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubheva cha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Shri Shri Gaurnitai ki jai, Krishna Balaram ki jai, Radha Shyama Sundar Lalita Vishakha ki jai. Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam Sangha Panga Astra Parsadam Jagyai Sankirtana Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedhasa. In the age of Kali, intelligent persons perform congregational chanting to worship the incarnation of Godhead, who constantly sings the names of Krishna. Although his complexion is not blackish, he is Krishna himself. He is accompanied by his associates, servants, weapons, and confidential companions. So Lord Chaitanya and Krishna, they are avataris. They are not, they are source of all incarnations. And specifically, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, he appeared with holy name. That's why Haridas Thakur, he is telling, Prabhu tumi jiber mangala chinta kari Kali juge nama sange soyang avatari. Namacharya Haridas Thakur is glorifying Lord Chaitanya. He is telling, oh Lord, thinking about the auspiciousness of the living entities in this age of Kali, actually you appeared, Kali Nama Sange Swayam Avatari. You appeared with holy name. As we know, when Lord Chaitanya appeared in Mayapur, in Navadip, that day was full moon day, but there was an eclipse, moon eclipse. So that's why everyone was simply running to take bath to Ganges, in Ganges. So all inhabitants of Navadip and surrounding places, many people they are coming from Bengal for taking bath. Thousands of people are taking bath in Ganges. And when they are going, even the Smartas, those who are worshippers of the other demigods, even worshipping the Devis, but they all, that day, particular day, they are chanting Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Hare, they are chanting Lord Hari's Vishnu's name. Because this is the traditional thing, this is the customary in the India. In Grahan time they go to take bath and take the names of Vishnu. Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu Pavitra Pavitrava Sarvavastha Gatopiva Jasmaret Pundarikakhya Savaya Abhyantara Suchi. So that's why everyone was running to Ganges and chanting, everyone taking the name of Lord Hari. Rama Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So everyone chanting, even the Muslims, they are joking. They sing this, the Hindu people, they are taking the name of Krishna and running. So Muslims also chanting Krishna Krishna, yes, just joking, joking to Hindi peoples. So everyone was chanting holy name. When everyone is chanting holy name, then Chaitanya appeared. Then Nimai appeared as the son of Mother Sachi and Jagannath. So that's why Haridas Thakur is saying, Kali Yuga Nama Sange Swayam Avatari. You appeared with holy name. And it is also told that Kali Kale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. Lord incarnated in this age of Kali as his holy name, and same time also appeared as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He appeared with holy name. So that's why this special incarnation of Gauranga Mahaprabhu is simply to preach holy name. He preached the holy name. Juga dharma pracharile nama sankirtana mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna prema dhana namera smarana ara nama sankirtana Ei matra dharma jiva karibe palana. This is teachings of Lord Chaitanya. So Haridas Thakur is telling, O Lord, you appeared with your holy name, then you preach the holy name everywhere. Juga dharma pracharile nama sankirtam. Then you preach the holy name. This is the Juga Dharma, Nam Sankirtan. This is the only way, or the prime way in this age of Kali. Mukhya Patha. This is the main road, high road, for achieving Krishna Prem. Because we know the goal of life is to achieve Prema, love of Godhead. Though the other acharyas, they told Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha like this. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu specifically gave this Panchama Purusartha, Prema Pumartha Mahan. The goal of human life is to achieve Krishna Prem. Not even liberation. Liberation is, so that's why when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that the goal of life is Krishna Prem, love of Godhead, then he also brought how to achieve that. Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. That's why he appeared with holy name, with that Golokera Premadhana. So he appeared with holy name, and he teaches the peoples, Mukhya Patha, the main principle, how can one achieve the Krishna Prem? Mukhya Patha Jiva Paya Krishna. This is the principal mark, the way, how to achieve Krishna Prem. This is the way, by chanting this particular mantra. Which mantra? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Because this mantra is not ordinary. This mantra is coming from Golaka. This mantra is meant for this purpose, to achieve Krishna Prem. There are so many other names, other mantras, all these things, but they may give liberation. So that's why Lord Chaitanya, he brought this mantra from Golok Vrindavan. That's why Prabhupada gave so much importance to chant this particular mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. As we see in Lilamrita, that how Prabhupada, when he came from New York to India, actually he told his disciples to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But when Prabhupada again returned, they saw their new mantra, some new mantra was chanting upstairs. He told, what is this mantra? Devotee was chanting and doing kirtan. Prabhupada has done the chanting. Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare, Henatha Narayana Vasudeva. This is the one of verse of Srimad Bhagavatam. They chanting this mantra. Prabhupada told, where did you get this mantra? Why are you chanting this mantra? Where do you get? Prabhupada, this is in your book. This is in the Bhagavatam. So Prabhupada told, I did not tell you to chant this mantra. You have to chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, Dilama Mahamantra, he told, I gave this Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And you go to your home and chant this mantra. There is no vidhi nahi yaar. He told any time, khaite, suite, basite, we are sitting, eating or sleeping, any time you can chant this holy name. There is no other rules and they are not strict principles. Even there was a boy, a small boy, his name was Gopal Guru. He was Gopal. After Mahaprabhu gave him title Guru. He was Gopal. Small boy he was. Then he saw some person, some elder person, he went to bathroom. Then he was asking something, he was not talking. Then he told, after they asked him, after he come back, then he start talking. He told me, why you are not talking? I am asking you again and again. You are not talking. He told, because I went to bathroom. Go to bathroom? The death can come anytime. Kamala dala jala jivana talamala bhajahu haripada niti re. So anytime death can come and you are going to bathroom, even if inside bathroom you can die also. Death can invite you. So what will do if you will not chant that time Krishna's name? So at the time of death you must chant Krishna's name. So death can come anytime. So you chant always Hare Krishna. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when heard, he told, actually this boy is also becoming a guru. He is my guru. Any time we have to chant. That's why this is the main principle in this age. Mukhya pathe jiva paye Krishna premadhana. This is the main principle in this age. And that is Juga Dharma Nama Sankirtana. But Nam Sankirtan does not mean that you can chant any name. Specifically you chant this mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Namera smaranara, Nama Sankirtana, Ei matra dharma jiva, Karibe palana. Namera smaran or Nama Sankirtan. In this age of Kali, devotees should chant, should remember Krishna and also do Nama Sankirtan, loudly chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is the only principle in this age of Kali. Jiva matra karibe palana. A jiva, living entities must follow this principle. Then he can achieve everything. Everything one can achieve by simply chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And this is the sadhan. What is the, we may think in a life, what is sadhya and what is sadhan? How can, we know the sadhya is Krishna Prem, but Krishna Prem and holy name, pure holy name is there is no difference. So, in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu we see that that is, or in teachings, Lord Chaitanya gave teaching that what is the essence of all teachings? Always, but I told that bhajanara madhya sashtha navavidha bhakti. Krishna prema dite dhare mahasakti. There are 9 processes of in devotional service has the great power to give you Krishna and Krishna prem. Tara madhya sarvaseshta nama sankirtana. Niraparadhe nama laile paye premadhana. Among even the 5 potent principles in bhakti, 5 principles, Dhamavasa, Archa Vigraha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavat Shravan, and Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavat Shravan, like this. So even among these 5 principles, what is the most important principle? Chanting the holy name of the Lord. And in Navadha Bhakti also is told that the chanting the holy name of the Lord is this is the center. So that's why he told that you have to chanting the holy name of Lord, Niroparadhe nama laile paye premadhan. One can achieve premadhan, the goal of life, if you chant without offenses. If you chant without offenses, then he can achieve Krishna prem. So that's why he is telling that one must always remember Krishna. How? One must remember Krishna through Sankirtan, Nama Sankirtan. Yei matra dharma jiva. This is the only religious principle for a living entity in this age of Kali. This is the sadhya and this is the sadhana. Sadhya means that thing that we have to achieve. What to achieve? Chant Krishna name without offenses. And what is the process to achieve that goal? Also chanting the holy name of the Lord. And first, in the beginning we start with offenses, aparadhastar. Then we come to abhastar, then pure name. Chanting name, holy name in purely, that is the goal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one time went to Bangladesh when he was in Grahastha life. He went to Bangladesh for preaching. And that time his first marriage was happened with Lakshmi Priya. Then when he was there was a great scholar and Pandit in Bangladesh. His name was Tapan Mishra. And he was making research on all the Vedic literatures. Then he could not decide what is the goal of life and how to start to achieve the goal. He was such a learned person, but he could not find. So he was completely frustrated. He was thinking, may I commit suicide? If I will not get the, could not find the way. how to achieve the goal and what is the goal. So that night he was very serious. Then a Brahmana came in dream. He told, why you are so morose? Here this Narayan himself is staying in your village, just nearby village or in your village. Who is he? He is Gaura Narayan. He is Nimai Pandit. Everyone calling him Nimai Pandit. He is not ordinary Pandit. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself. You should go to him. He will solve all your problem. Why you are so morose? Then it disappeared. When he woke up, he was surprised, seeing the dream. And in the morning he immediately ran to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He paid him full Dandavat Pranam. He told, oh, you are the Supreme Lord. I saw the dream last night. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately put his finger on his ear. Hey, Vishnu, don't tell this. Okay. Even if it is true, but you should not advertise it everywhere. First thing you must promise me, you should not advertise this, that I am God. Who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is God himself. Then I can answer your questions. Then he promised. Then Mahaprabhu told, in this age of Kali, Sadhya and Sadhana, both is Harinam. You chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he gave to this Tapana Mishra, this mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the sadhana. You must chant always Hare Krishna mantra. And what is sadhya, what is the goal? To achieve also pure name, chant the name purely. Then he sent him to Banaras. He told, you go to Banaras, after I will meet you in Banaras. So in this way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established this principle that sadhya, sadhana, there is both Harinam. So then there is no difference between sadhya and sadhana. But when in sadhana process, beginning we chant with offenses, then we goal is to chant purely. साध्य रे साधना नहीं अंतराय अनायासे तरे जीव तुम्हारा कृपाय. When then so by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, and in this age of Kali, the living entities, they can achieve this goal very easily. It is not so easy. No other incarnation has given the Krishna Prem. That's why in Mangalacharan in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is writing. Anarpita charing chirat karunayavatirna kalau samarpayitu murnata ujjala rasam so bhakti sriyam hari purata sundara kadamba sandipita sada hudaya kandare spuratuva sachinandana. Anarpita charing chirat. No one has given this thing, and this Krishna Prem never gave to the conditioned souls. Not only conditioned souls, Mahaprabhu gave everyone. He told to Haridas Thakur how these trees, the birds, the different animals, even the javanas, how they will also deliver. Haridas Thakur answered that simply by chanting, doing this loud Sankirtan, when these trees, birds, animals, whoever heard the Sankirtan, the sound vibration, then they will be delivered. Even the Muslims, they chant, when they saw a pig, then they just told, haram, 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 get out from there, haram. They told haram, haram, but Krishna considered it as haram. He is calling me. So in this way Namacharya Haridas Thakur told they delivered. But these things are not given in other ages by any other incarnations. Anarpita charing chirat. No one has given this. But in this age of Kali, special Kali Yuga, Mahaprabhu appeared. Karunaya avatirna kalau, by being very merciful, he appeared in this age. Then what he gave? This Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This Hare Krishna Mahamantra he gave to everyone. Everyone can chant. some people tell that actually this Mahamantra was in Vedic literature. It is written that first Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. In the second line, many sampradayas chant like this. But in many Puranas, many places it told Hare Krishna first, and some places there is also Hare Ram first. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he preached Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare, the internal potency of Krishna or Rama, the meaning of Krishna is also Krishna, and meaning of Rama is also Rama is also Krishna. As in Hyderabad, they mentioned that the 3 disciples of Prabhupada, they are talking, someone telling this Ram means Parsuram, someone telling Ram means Ajodhyapati Ram. Someone Ram is Balaram. So they are all okay. In Vishnu Tattva there is no, one should not see the difference. So this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this holy name. Samarpayitum, anyhow, I am not going detail. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the special incarnation. He is not incarnation, actually source of all incarnation. Sabha avatar, Sara Shiromani, Kebala, Ananda Kanda. So that's why he gave this mantra. The holy name is so much power that even once one chant Hare Krishna, the result, effect of this mantra, chanting this mantra is so powerful. A person cannot commit sins. That will be equal to, in the equal platform of chanting the holy name of the Lord. In Vishnu Purana, it is told that Namno hi javata sakti papa nirbahane hare tavat kartung na swaknati patakang pataki naraha. Person cannot commit such sins. He may be, from crores of lives, he may be committing sins. But one holy name is enough. Even if you keep one holy name in one side and other sinful activities in one side, the weight of the holy name will be more. So then why we are chanting so much? Just one chanting, but this chanting must be pure, pure name. The chanting must be pure. So this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advice to the Navadip Vasi. He told, go to your home. Just I gave this Mahamantra, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, go and all the time there is no vidhi nahi yaar, there is no other vidhis. Simply go and clap your hands and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. All your purpose will be fulfilled. You will achieve Krishna Prem. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this to the Navadip Vasis. It is not only for Navadip, but this is for entire world. So this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this mantra, then he predicted in the future his Senapati devotee will come, and he preached in India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he forecasted. Then this Prithivite Ache Jata Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Prachara Hoive Moro Naam. Sarvatra, everywhere, every town and village, people should chant this mantra. How? Because in this age I appeared in this incarnation. In other incarnations I killed the demons, but this incarnation I have not killed them. Ebe nama sankirtana tikna khadgalaya antara asura jivera pheliva katiya. In all other incarnations, with sharp weapons I killed the demons. But in the particular incarnation, Antara Asura, I will not kill the demon. Which demon? Antara Asura. Inside the demon is sitting. Which one? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, all these things. Antara Asura Jivara Pheliva Katya, I will kill this demon. How? By teaching them to chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then because His holy name is everywhere, everyone chanting, like some demons, they will run away from India. They will go to the Western countries, here, there, they will hide themselves, not to chant. They don't want to chant. They don't, so they don't want to achieve Krishna Prem. So, Lochan Das Thakur in Chaitanya Mangal is telling, Jadi papi chhadi dharma dura deshe jai moro senapati bhakta jaibe tathai. Lochan Das Thakur telling, Jadi these sinful personalities, they don't want to chant holy name, they run away from India, they cross the border, they go to other countries, or they born in other places. But Senapati Bhakta, Moro Senapati Bhakta, Jaibe Tathai. I will send, don't worry, my Senapati Bhakta will come and he will visit them. Then he got them and bring them and engage them in preaching holy name. So, Tabu nara khiba dukha sokaye ekalaba nija preme bhasaiba e brahmanda saba bhasaiba sthabara jangama devagane suni anandita kahe Edasa Lochane. Lochan Das Thakur in Chaitanya Mangal, he telling this, that Lord Chaitanya, he just inundated this whole Gaur Nitai with Krishna Prem, this Bharat Varsha. And some peoples there left. So that's why Mahaprabhu himself forecasted that my Senapati Bhakta will come. Then he will go to the Western countries. And then he will preach this holy name, and the entire world, Bhasava, Sthavar, Jangama, everything, everyone will be inundated with this Krishna Prem. So when Lochan Das Thakur telling, I heard these things, I become very happy. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Senapati Bhakta will come and he preach this holy name everywhere. So who is that Senapati Bhakta? Who is this chief commander of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sankirtan army? His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So, glories of holy name is unlimited. It is not possible, right, to glorify the holy name just in one class, just 40 minutes or 45 minutes. Actually, Lord Chaitanya himself glorified in his Sikhastakam. He first 2 verses, he glorified the holy name. First verse, glory to Sri Krishna Sankirtan, which cleanses the hearts of the dust accumulated for years and extinguishes the fire of conditional life of repeated birth and death. This Sankirtan movement is the prime benediction for humanity at large, because it spreads the rays of benediction moon. It is the life of transcendental life of the. It spreads the rays of the benediction moon. It is the life of all transcendental knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendental bliss, and it enables us to fully taste the nectar for which we are always anxious. O my Lord, your holy name alone can render all benediction to living being. And thus you have hundreds and millions of names like Krishna and Govinda. In these transcendental names you have invested all your transcendental energies. There are not even hard and fast rules for chanting these names. O my Lord, out of kindness you enable us to easily approach you by your holy names. But I am so unfortunate that I have no attraction for them. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Any question or comment? Yes. Panchalo, you have any question?
Why Murari Gupta not able to chant Hare Krishna?
Huh?
Why Murari Gupta not able to chant Hare Krishna?
Why Murari?
Gupta.
Murari Gupta.
could not chant Hare Krishna. Why not chant? Murari Gupta.
Murari Gupta not chant Hare Krishna? Ram, Ram, Ram. He has Hanuman. Because he is Hanuman, he is incarnation, he is Hanuman himself. Lord Chaitanya asked him, Murari, one time he tested for testing, he asked Nityananda and Mahaprabhu was sitting, he asked Murari, why you want to, let's become a Krishna devotee, chant Hare Krishna. We are all chanting Krishna, why not chanting? You should chant Hare Krishna. He told, okay, I will try. Then he went, but he could not. Whole night he will try. Then finally he think, I must commit suicide, I must jump to the Ganges. Then before he come to Mahaprabhu, then told him, he explained Mahaprabhu, it is not possible for me to worship Krishna or accept and chant Krishna's name. Then Mahaprabhu smiled. He told, you are Hanuman, how can it is possible for you to chant Krishna, not to take Krishna's name? So that's why he was chanting Ram. Okay. You cannot ask Hanuman to offer obeisance to worship any other personality except Sitaram. That is. Okay. So any comment or question? Yes. Okay, there is no question or comment, so we stop here. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.